Okay, so good morning. So we are with now question number 6b. In previous video we have done question number 6a. So for this equation you need to find the vertex, focus, equation of directrix, equation of axis, equation of lattice rectum, as well as length of lattice rectum. But this question is a little bit different compared to question number 6a. Now this one is question number 6b because 6a was already given in that form. So that's why we did directly by finding the new coordinates and the old coordinates. So if you have not understood, please refer question number 6a. Please refer that video lesson. So here in this case, we have this equation 5x squared plus 30x plus 2y plus 59 is equal to 0. So what I can do here is, whichever is having x square or y square, always keep on left hand side. Right now this case we have is 5x square. So keep this on left hand side. That implies we have 5x square plus 30x is equivalent. Take that side. Negative 2y minus 59. And remember, this one is very important concept. Similar concept we are going to do under ellipse and hyperbola. So 5x square 30x is negative 2y. Okay. Now in order to make it this in that form, which we have done under question number 6a, always the coefficient of x square should be 1. In this case, the coefficient of x square is 5. So what I can do here is, let me rewrite this one as a, by taking this 5 common outside, we have x square plus 6x is equivalent to negative 2y minus 59. Then I can rewrite this one as a 5 times x squared plus 6x plus. Now listen carefully. Divide this 6 by 2 and square it. What's the answer? 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. Write this 9 here. I hope you got it now. Because I'm trying to make this in the form of a plus b whole square. For that, what I can do here is divide this 6 by 2, which is answer is 3. 3 squared is 9. Put it here 9. When you write 9 this side, we have negative 2y minus 59. Whatever the manipulation you do, make sure the functions remain same. Here I have added this 9. Actually I have not added 9. Actually I have added 5 9s are 45. I have added 45. If you don't believe, open the bracket. 5x squared 30x plus 45. This side we have 45, that side also 45, 45, 45 will get cancelled. Function is still remaining same. I hope you got it. Here you will not add only 9. You need to add this 5 times 9, which is 45. But if the coefficient of x square is directly 1, you will do under homework. If coefficient of x square is directly 1, then you don't need to multiply this way. So now I can write this one as a 5 times, this in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which can be written as a plus b whole square. This is b square. 3 square is 9. So b value is 3. A square, which is x square. So which is x? If you expand this, you will get this. Here is equivalent to negative 2y. 45 minus 59 is negative 14. Is that correct? 14 plus 45, 9, 59. Yeah, that's correct. Then again, let me rewrite. 5 times x plus 3 whole square is equal to, and here also the coefficient of y should be 1. In order to make coefficient of y 1, what we need to do? We take negative 2 common outside. When I take negative 2 common outside, this will be y plus 7. Definitely, if you don't believe, just put it inside. Negative 2 times y, it becomes negative 2y. Negative 2 times positive 7, it becomes negative 14. So then finally we have now x plus 3 whole square is equivalent to negative 2 by 5 times y plus 7. Now the concept remains same like we did under question number 6a. What we are going to do? We are going to shift this parabola. Remember, this parabola is, the vertex of this parabola is not at the origin. In order to shift, what you need to do? You take, let capital X is equal to x plus 3 and take capital Y is equal to y plus 7. So definitely this equation now becomes capital X square is equivalent to negative 2 by 5 times capital Y. This is concave down parabola. Remember, this is concave down parabola. Now if this is concave down, you compare with concave down parabola, that is x equals negative 4a capital Y. If you compare, you will get 4a is equal to 2 by 5, implies what's the a value? A value is 1 over 10. We have a value, we have capital X. Now we are going with new coordinates and old coordinates. So let me keep this a is equal to 1 by 10 there, and then I need this value x plus 3 is equal to capital X, and then y plus 7 is equal to capital Y. Okay, let me draw now new coordinates and old coordinates. For that, let me make the table by dividing new coordinates and old coordinates. Let me take new coordinates this side as usual. I did this question and this type of question under previous lesson videos. I hope you remember if you have watched that video. So this becomes the new coordinates, and then we have here old coordinates. All coordinates. So in this case, I'm going to take x plus 3 is equal to capital X. Write this one for it will be much easier. Y plus 7 is equal to capital Y. So a value is 1 by 10. Please remember a value 1 by 10. Okay, number one, what do you need to calculate? We need to calculate the vertex. This is concave down. So concave down, previously this all coordinates parabola might be somewhere here. By putting capital X and capital Y, I'm shifting this parabola here. So what is the vertex point? Vertex point here it is 0, 0. Which means this is a value of capital X, this is a value of capital Y. Substitute there. Number one, vertex. Here substitute now. We have x plus 3 is equal to 0, implies x is equal to negative 3. Similarly, y plus 7 is equal to 0, implies y is equal to negative 7. If you have watched the previous video, then calculation is much easier. Similarly, let's go with number 2. What's the focus for concave down parabola? Focus for concave down is 0, negative a, which is 0, negative. What's the value of a? 1 by 10. Capital X value, capital Y value. Substitute there. Let me write vertex. Vertex is negative 3, negative 7. Number 2, we have now focus. For focus, capital X value is 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0, implies x is equal to negative 3. And then y plus 7 is equal, what's the capital Y value? Negative 1 over 10. Then y will be negative 1 over 10 minus 7, which implies y is equal to negative 71 by 10. What's the focus point now? Focus point is negative 3, negative 71 over 10. We have the focus point. Calculation is easier if you have watched this previous video. Okay, now next one is number 3. Equation of directives. Equation of directives, this is concave down. Equation of directives concave down means capital Y is equivalent to A. Is that correct? Which implies capital Y is equal to A value is 1 by 10. Then here, number 3, equation of directives, we have, okay, substitute this capital Y there. Y plus 7 is equal to 1 by 10, implies y is equal to 1 by 10 minus 7, which implies y is equal to 10 sevens are 70, negative 69 by 10. Finally, we have equation of directives. 10y plus 69 is equal to 0. Now next, what do we need? We need equation of axis. Equation of axis. Now number 4. Equation of axis. This is concave down parabola. Parabola lies on y-axis. So what should be equation of axis? It does not lie on x-axis. Capital X is equal to 0. That means number 4 equation of axis is x plus 3 is equal to 0. Number 5 equation of lattice rectum. What's the equation of lattice rectum? This is concave down. Capital Y is equal to negative A. Capital Y is equal to negative A. Remember here capital Y is equal to negative 1 by 10. Substitute capital Y there. Number 5 equation of lattice rectum will be y plus 7 is equal to negative 1 by 10. Implies y is equal to negative 1 by 10 minus 7, which is implies y is equal to 10 7 is 70, negative 71 by 10. So we have 10y plus 71 is equal to 0. This becomes the equation of lattice rectum. Finally, we have number 6, length of lattice rectum. What's the length of lattice rectum? 4a. Yes or no? Length of lattice rectum is 4a. So 4a, the value was, okay, 4a was negative 4a, length of negative 5 by 2, okay, 2, no, it is, oh, I forgot, okay. 4a is equal to, I got 1 by 10, so 5 by 2, no, 2 by 5, 2 by 5, then 4, 2, 2, 4, okay, 2 by 5. So that means 4a is equal to 2 by 5 units. Whatever the length of lattice rectum there, length of lattice rectum remains same, which is equal to 2 by 5 units. Because we are just shifting the parabola, we are not changing the size of the parabola. That's it. So this concave, parabola is over, and then in next video lesson we will start with the ellipse. Thank you.